friends, I am Viveka Tyagi and you are watching Think Bridge. So, from 22nd September 2025, there will be the biggest GST change since 2017. Shampoos, expensive cars, small cars, notebooks, everything will be at new tax rate. This is confirmed from the latest GST Council meeting which was chaired by our Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. So let's start with the video. So, what is GST? GST means Goods and Services Tax. It all started in 2017 to replace many state taxes. One country, one tax. हम सब GST pay करते हैं when we buy goods and services. So, what is changing from 22nd September? Until now, GST had four main rates: 5%, 12%, 18%, and 28%. From 22nd September 2025, the structure will be more simpler. 5% for essential and daily use items, 18% for most other goods and services, 40% for luxury or harmful goods like tobacco or very expensive cars. The essentials which are under 5% GST: shampoo, toilet soap, butter, ghee, baby products, sewing machines, corrective spectacles and some medicines. The goods which are under 18% GST: ACs, TVs which are above 32 inch, dishwashers, washing machines, small cars which are below 1200cc petrol or 1500cc diesel, and auto parts. The green and farm at 5% GST are solar panels, renewable energy equipment, tractors, farm tools and sprinklers, and the last, luxury or the harmful items which are under 40% GST: tobacco, aerated drinks and ultra luxury cars. So why government is doing this? Lower tax means things becoming more cheaper, families save money and the industries become more competitive. हमारे कॉमर्स मिनिस्टर पीयूष गोयल called it cycle of growth. States may lose revenue up to 1.5 lakh crore to 2 lakh crore. So the central government will compensate it. The extra benefits of this are: government is also planning faster GST refunds, automatic registration for small businesses, a GST appellate tribunal to solve disputes quickly, and this will help the startups as well. So guys, 22nd September से इंडिया की GST is drastically changing. आप कौन से आइटम के लिए सबसे ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हैं? Comment down in the comment section, like this video and subscribe to Think Bridge. Thank you. दोस्तों, जाते जाते एक सोच छोड़ना चाहती हूँ। असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो। कहाँ कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो।